Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my honest review. It's going to be short of the Dose & Co. Collagen Protein Powder. If you are curious, I have tried a bunch of Dose & Co. products. I've tried a bunch of collagen products over the last several years. I will link everything down below so that you can catch up. But the last thing I really needed to try of like the powder series, I think, is their protein powder. I've already tried their regular collagen and their collagen creamer. So if you're curious to see my honest review of the Dose & Co. Collagen Protein Powder, then keep watching. Also, thank you Dose & Co. for continuing to send me products. I have purchased this before with my own money, but they have sent me some more products to try, including another one of these. Now, I take protein powder and make protein shakes typically after workouts. I'm not someone that like has a protein shake for breakfast. I don't like meal substitute with those. It's just not in my lifestyle. For the type of working out that I do, I work out to, of course, maintain like a healthy heart and everything like that, but I work out to keep myself toned but like filled out. I have a very petite frame, and if I don't work out and lift weights and use, weight machines and things like that, I don't have any like muscle tones. And I always make a protein shake about, 20 to 30 minutes after my workouts. I have tried so many protein powders. What I love about the Dose & Co. line is, yes, it's a protein powder, but it also gets your daily source of collagen. I've said this before in any video that I'm talking about these types of things. I am not a licensed professional. I am not a medical professional. I'm not a nutritionist. I am just a normal person sharing my honest experience with a product. But yeah, so this has 20 grams of protein per serving. I have it in the flavor chocolate. I have yet to try the vanilla, which I really want to try because I do enjoy their vanilla creamer. 20 grams of protein per serving, 10 grams of collagen per serving, and it supports hair, skin, and nails. It is plastic-free packaging, types collagen 1 and 3. I honestly don't know what that means. All natural ingredients, and it's gluten-free. Free from preservatives, artificial color, sweeteners, it's not GMO. How to use it, I will also insert a clip of how I make my protein shakes. Very simple. I am not crazy. Blender bottle, milk, that kind of stuff. How to use 2 heaped teaspoons, which equals 35 grams of powder, and 6 fluid ounces of water, milk, coffee, or add to your smoothie. Mix well. I will show you a really quick insert of how I make my protein shakes after I work out right now. Let's make my post-workout protein shake. I've got the Dose & Co. Collagen Protein Powder in chocolate, my handy-dandy blender bottle, and Silk almond milk. Okay, I start by pouring the Silk almond milk. I use the original flavor in the blender bottle. The blender bottle is marked by measurement, so I already know what line to fill it up to make the 6 fluid ounces. Once that's full, I take just a regular tablespoon and scoop 2 heaped tablespoons, and just by that I mean like full, kind of almost overflowing tablespoons, and drop that in. My blender bottle's got the little blender ball at the bottom, so I just shake it up until it's all broken down, and then we sip and enjoy. I mean, I love the taste. I love the smell. To me, it smells like, this is going to age me, I feel like, Ovaltine. If you were like young, I guess it's still around. If you were young and your mom made you chocolate milk, my mom would always put like Ovaltine chocolate powder in there, and that's what this literally smells like to me. Most protein powders, can I be quite honest with you, smell like crap and taste like crap. Being so honest, I've tried so many protein powders. Like, it's ridiculous how many protein powders I've tried. I've always found something wrong with one of them, whether it made me bloated or I didn't feel like it was attaching to like my muscles the way that it should, just I can tell like I was taking protein powder and like not really noticing a difference in my like muscles and stuff. Could that have been user error? I don't know, with like working out and stuff. But again, I've told you guys this before if you've been following me for a while. I notice differences in my body very quickly, whether it's my skin, my hair, my nails, like my physical like body. So I can always tell when something's either not working or not reacting. A lot of protein powders don't break down very well and are clumpy and gritty, and that just makes me want to throw up. And some protein powders are really good, but I have never found a protein powder that I've honestly loved all the way around, from taste to smell to how it breaks down, everything. This has honestly been a game changer for me. And I'm not just saying that because they sent this to me. I've purchased this with my own money and I continue to buy it when they don't send me things. And I am completely satisfied with this protein powder. I was recently taking a protein powder that was like designed for women. It was matcha flavored and it was great. The only thing I noticed is I would get really bloated afterwards. And I was like, this is weird because it's like made for women and why am I getting bloated? It's like, that's the only thing I didn't like. I loved the taste. I loved the smell. I love matcha. It was reasonably priced. Oh, and this is $29 per canister. I normally order mine on Amazon just because I'm impatient and want free shipping. Obviously, this is on their website. I think it's also $29 on their website. I think, you know, it's price comparable to other things that I've bought. That previous protein powder, I just wasn't completely satisfied, and this checks all the boxes for me. And I love that it's got collagen in it because I've gotten very used to taking my collagen creamer on a daily basis or mixing the straight collagen peptides into my coffee. I love that it has a nice daily serving of your collagen in here as well. That way I'm not having to overdo it with all the powders and things like that. Not that it would matter, but it's really nice and convenient to have the protein and the collagen in one. I'm all about convenience. I don't like having to do a million things every day in my routine, even if it's a lifestyle routine and it's for health. I am completely and utterly satisfied with the Dose & Co. protein powder. I am very anxious to try the vanilla. I probably should just buy one, but I'm so in love with the chocolate one that I like don't want to switch. Maybe, I don't know, down the line I will try the vanilla and do a review on that as well. Yeah, that is it, you guys. Very short, very simple. They also sent me recently their caramel collagen creamer. So if you're curious in seeing maybe like a taste test or vanilla creamer versus the caramel creamer, let me know. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And thank you again, Dose & Co. for continuing to send me things. I so appreciate it. If you are interested in purchasing or trying Dose & Co. yourself, I will have this linked in the description box as well as the other Dose & Co. products that I've reviewed and love so that you can try them out as well. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And be sure that you're following me on socials. I will have everything possible linked down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye.